Your cleaning products stink, literally and figuratively. Go ahead, smell them. I'll wait.
Oh, that singed my nose hairs.
Good thing you have so many. That's why we all need Dr. Brite, the best quality cleaning products in existence. Think I'm exaggerating? Take a whiff.
Full-bodied, eucalyptus, peppermint, essential oils. But does it work?
You bet. As a mom and a doctor, I don't mess around when it comes to buying things for my family. I want to make sure my cleaning products are safe and effective against bacteria and viruses. With Dr. Brite, it's not magic, it's science. Hello, class. Today's lesson is about poison. Most cleaning products are made with harsh, often dangerous chemicals. Why?
Because the other guys are cheap and cut corners?
Exactly. We don't use that nasty stuff in this household. Dr. Brite products are made from a proprietary formula with ingredients derived from vegetables, so they're effective and safe.
Do they make hand sanitizer because of,
Most hand sanitizers are made from cheap grain alcohol. Are we bootlegging bathtub gin or cleaning houses here?
They're on to me.
150 hand sanitizers have been recently recalled for using methanol and other banned toxins that can make you go blind, damage your nervous system, and dry out your skin. Try this. It's made with hospital-grade isopropyl alcohol infused with essential oils.
Oh. It's like the mists of Avalon in my hands.
What kind of secret formula do they use to avoid all those harsh ingredients?
There are no secrets in this household, sweetie. Dr. Brite discloses everything in their products. Class dismissed.
How do we know if it's really working? How do they know my name?
Dr. Brite soap can be used on your face, hair, body, dishes, hard surfaces, household items, mopping, and more. It'd be easier to tell you the things you can't clean with this soap.
Will it wash away the shame I feel from buying dangerous and toxic cleaning products?
Yes, it will. Just go to drbrite.com to subscribe and save 20%. You'll even get free shipping on your first order.
Hey, was this a commercial the whole time?
Yep,
Are you guys influencers now?
I hope so. We really nailed it with this commercial, Dave.
Oh, kind of like how Dr. Brite nailed it with their women-owned, vegan, cruelty-free, non-GMO products?
Exactly. Now, you go clean the bathroom, I'll clean the kitchen, and you go to drbrite.com right now and order your first order today.